Friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about gold as an investment. We know that the gold price today on August 1st, 2020, the gold price in India touched at Rs 53,450 for 10 gram 24 carat gold. So the price is going up since last 2-3 months, and there is a huge rise happened during this COVID times. So we'll be analyzing what is the reason for this such kind of hike in gold price, and whether it should be good for us to invest in gold at this current price during this COVID period, and what strategy we need to apply while investing in gold. These main things we'll be discussing in this video. So let's go to the video. This chart shows the price hike of gold per ounce from 2002 till date. If you can see, there was a huge hike happened during 2012 times, especially after 2008 market crash. There was a huge rally, and it peaked at 2012, nearly to 2012. After that, the price was a little bit gone down, and then there was a stagnant. The price was stagnant between 1000 to 1500 range. So right now again the rally started during 2020 COVID times, and now it's almost 2000 US dollar per ounce. So how long this rally will go, and what is the strategy we need to do? The rally may continue for some times, and it may reach even up to 3000, 2500 dollar to $3000, that range it may reach. And after that there could be a small correction, and then the price will remain near to 2500, 2000 to 2500 range. This is what is expected, and it's all depends on how the market is behaving, and how the economic recovery is happening. The major thing for this current price hike is because of the panic situation created by the corona, and the majority of the main investors, institutional investors and countries are investing in gold right now. They are shifting their major investment to gold from other conventional investments. Majorly the investments are done by the Western countries because they want to control their economy. There may be a big crash happening in their economy. Before that, they are increasing the gold reserves so that they can keep a hold on their economy, and they can give stability by increasing their allocation. So that's why the gold price is going up. In India and China, major importing countries of gold, the normal usages are for jewelry purpose. During COVID situation, there are not much investments happening for jewelry purposes, and the majority retail buyers are not buying gold. Still the gold price is going up only because of the investments done by the Western countries for their increasing their reserve. This is the main reason for increasing the gold price. Other main thing for the price hike is because in India the price is determined by the dollar. India imports 99% of their gold requirement, and the price is decided in dollar. And right now, the Fed from US is they are printing as much as possible money, and pushing their money into the market so that their economy and the stock market will not crash. Because of this, the dollar value is coming less, and the dollar become more cheap, and this extra money major investors are giving into increasing their gold allocation. Also, the value of dollar is, as the value of dollar is going down, the value of the gold increases in dollar, and comparing to that, in Indian INR also the value of gold will increase. This is the other reason why gold price is going up. So everybody is going behind gold as an investment purpose, and the price is going up. the retail participation is not there from Asian countries, and it is expected that as soon as the recovery is happening and the Asian participants, retail investors also started investing in gold, then again the price hike will be there. But there is another possibility also. As soon as the economy recovery is there and the risk is less, majority of the investments done in gold, the institutional investors and countries will start to pull their money from gold and invest in conventional investments like real estate and share market. At that case, the price of gold may correct. So both the way there could be some correction as well as there could be a price hike also. So as a retail investor, you should consider both the things, and you should have a strategy how you should invest in gold if you are going for investment. As you are already aware that there could be a possibility of price hiking gold, as well as there could be a correction in gold price. If you are planning for an investment, you should think of both situation and allocate your investment accordingly. It's not advisable for you to invest more than 10% of your investable amount in gold, but you should have an investment in gold as an insurance purpose. Means when the market crashes or economies goes down, the price of gold will give you an additional support. Right now it is seeing that the majority of the during this COVID period, the gold given good appreciation also, capital appreciation also. In that way, it is a good strategy to have an investment in gold, but do not invest all of your money into the gold, because already there was a 20-30 percentage upside already happened in gold, and it may continue, but not much. If there is any correction after your investment, that will be a loss for you. Also, there is another thing that majority of the Western countries are suffering huge losses due to coronavirus, and they need more money for their running their country. So what they are doing, that they are investing right now in gold. As soon as the economy reverse, economy is going up, and the Asian countries start buy gold at high price, they will sell this gold to the retail investors in Asian countries, and then they will get a good profit. This can be a strategy also. The majority of these Western countries are in good condition just by looting Asian countries. So you should be aware of that. Your money should not be going to Western countries because of the you are buying at high prices and they will be selling at that point. So you need to take care of that. You can have a good strategy to avoid that. So we'll be discussing what are the investment options, what are the strategies you can do for investing in gold. The main way to invest in gold is through ETF and mutual fund, gold ETF and gold mutual fund. And you can in ETF buy right now for some amount, then when there is a correction of 10%, you again buy ETF, like each unit you can buy like that. And do not buy when the price is going up, because that is not a good solution, because at any point of time there could be a correction when economy recovery is happening. The other way is through SIP. You can invest in gold mutual fund, not in ETF, gold mutual fund through SIP, and you will be getting unit NAV at NAV price. And this you can do by investing simply by 500 rupees, and then accordingly in every month you will be investing 500, like that you can plan. And then you will be getting you'll be allocating a small percentage of your investable amount in gold, so that in later stage when the price is appreciating, you can sell and get a profit. but do not invest a lump sum amount right now, because there could be a chance of correction also. Like you can see in the earlier chart I have shown you that there was a stagnant price was stagnant, and there was a correction also after 2012, and up to 2017 18 18 up to 2018 the price was stagnant and there was no much appreciation. So SIP you can do in gold mutual fund, and ETF also you can buy. And there is another way government of India is offering gold sovereign bond. Sovereign gold bond is there, that also you can apply. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.